So the first conclusion, what a wonderful statement he told, man. Pay yourself first at least 10%. This 10% is for your future bharosa, for your future. Okay, this 10% for your future, golden future. Okay, remember that. It is not payment to any other person. This money is mine, man. This money is mine for my future. This money is there. Like you have to feel. Don't pay this amount to groceries people. Don't pay this amount to new shop wala, new cloth shop wala. Like it is not part of your expense. In the remaining 90%, after deducting at least 10% in the remaining, maybe 90 or 80 or something like, you can dance like anything. This is the first step for the wealth creation. If you feel comfortable, yes, it's a practically possible, right? We can do that, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Practically possible. I don't think. Suppose you are getting 1 lakh, keeping 10,000 separate, 90,000 happily, you can live happily, right? Okay, but in any case, in any problem came, this 10% is not yours. But here the problem is, most of the people don't know wealth creation rules. Or most of the people, even they know, they won't follow the rules. One of these two reasons only. Okay, because of these reasons only, the people won't become rich. The people won't become rich. Because of just these two reasons only, the people won't become rich. So, point number one, wealth creation rules they don't know, or even they know, but they are not following. We have to feel blindly in any situation, in any case, man. I'm promising myself, at least 10% is compulsory. I'm going to save. It's my compulsory. All the remaining things, forget about that. This rule compulsory I have to follow. Like you have to build a system. You have to build that consistency, that promise that makes you rich. Not just by simply knowing. But the problem with the human being is 10 days they are going to continue, 20 days they are going to continue, 1 month they are going to continue. Some break came. That day onwards, they won't. Hooray, today I'm struggling like anything. Tomorrow, next year onwards, I will do. Next month onwards, I will do. Next week onwards, I will do. Or tomorrow onwards, I will do. Like most of the people are always breaking this. That is the bigger reason why the people are not become rich.